Hello and welcome to a new video with PSD Box. In this video I'm going to continue with the section that I created in which I'm going to show you how to edit your photographs with your mobile phone. Last week I talked about GoArt, an application that allowed you to create all sorts of painting effects. And in the application that I'm going to show you today, you will be able to create watercolor effects for your images. It's really simple to use. It has quite a decent amount of effects that you can create for your images, and all of them are for free, so you can apply all of them to your photos. I'm gonna put the link to this application on the video description, and if you're watching it from the website, you can see the links there on the website as well. So I hope you will enjoy it, and now I'm going to show you what you can do with this application. I'm going to show you the effects that you can create, so I hope you will enjoy it. So if you go to the Play Store, this is the app. It's available for Android and iPhone as well, so you can install it on your Android or iPad. And let's open it. And this is the splash screen of this application. And by default, you can see it opens the front-facing camera of your mobile. Let's go to the gallery and select one of the photos that we used on the previous application. Let's open this one of the girl, and when you open an image, it's gonna from the gallery, it gives you the option to rotate it or flip it, or also to crop it. Let's crop it like this and click OK. So once the cropping is done, you can see it applies automatically the first filter, and here on the bottom you can see all the filters, well, all the effects that you have. Basically these are just overlays, and it mixes the photo with these overlays. Now you have two settings here. One is the size of the effect, and the second one is the opacity of the effect. So you can change the opacity or apply a stronger or lighter filter. I chose another one. Let's see another one, for example this one. You can also add borders to your image. If you swipe down, you can add like frames to your image and create like a sort of a picture like so. And you can also save or share your image. Here on the bottom you can see Facebook, Instagram, and if you click this other icon on the left, you can first it saves the image, and then you can choose to share your image with any service that you have installed on your phone. Now I don't know the size of the image when you save it on your mobile phone, so I don't know if it saves it in high resolution. I don't know that, I didn't try it, but I'm gonna put it on the website. I'm gonna upload some of these effects there, and you can find more information if you go on my website. So as you can see, really simple. It has some cute effects, I think, and just a fun app to play with. And that's how Portra works. This is the effects that you can create with this application. So that's how Portra works. I hope you like the effects that you get with it. If you are looking for a similar effect in Photoshop, I have a premium template that you can download from members.psdbox.com, and you can create the similar effects with that PSD template. You can change filters, colors, and you can get sort of a watercolor effect that you got with this application. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this application. I think it creates some nice effects, and I just wanted to show you how you can edit your photos and create this sort of a watercolor effect on them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.